Yeah, Varshit, you can.
Let's start. Credit card fraud predictor model development group 5. Yeah,
Varshit, you can start the
yeah, yeah.
presentation.
Please start. Anyone can start.
So our problem statement is credit card fraud detection, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
In the recent years, credit card fraud has grown nearly 10 times because of the growth in online shopping and online transactions. So the conventional methods of credit card fraud algorithms struggle to keep up as the fraudulent activities grow in complexity. To address these challenges, credit card fraud detection will help you out.
Okay.
Next slide. So the objective of this project is to detect the fraudulent transactions made by the credit cards by the use of machine learning techniques. To stop fraudsters from the unauthorized usage of customer accounts, putting a limit for those actions would have a positive impact of the customers as their money would be recovered and retrieved back into their accounts and they won't be charged for items or services they are not purchased by them. So detection of these fraudulent transactions will be made by using the machine learning techniques like logistic regression, SVM, naive Bayes, etc.
Good.
Yeah,
And the
no
solution
worries.
up and the solution approach here we are using is we use different algorithms like random forest, logistic regression, SVM, decision tree, KNN, Navy Bayes, neural networks, linear discriminant analysis, and quadratic discriminant analysis. Coming to random forest, it is an ensemble machine learning algorithm. It builds a multiple decision trees and combines their prediction to improve the accuracy. It even reduces overfitting and enhancing overall model performance. It can be effectively detect fraud transactions by using ability to handle complex patterns and logistic regression. It is a binary classification algorithm. This model is the probability occurring a function in input features. It is used to analyze transaction features to find the probability of fraud, whether the transaction is fraud or not fraud. SVM. It is a semi-supervised machine learning algorithm. It uses to classify data by finding hyperplane. It is more effective for tasks like image classification, etc. Decision tree. It is a tree-like model that splits data into subsets based on significant attributes. It creates hierarchical structures for classification. Next slide. Next slide. KNN. Coming to KNN, it's a supervised machine learning algorithm. It classifies data into points of majority classes, which is near to the feature space. It is effective for tasks like pattern recognition. Navy Bayes, it's a probabilistic classification algorithm that makes predictions based on Bayes theorem, assuming whether the features are independent or not. It's commonly used for text classification. Neural networks. It is a sorry. It is a computational model inspired by human brain consisting of
Guys,
interconnection nodes.
one second, 1 second. I told you everyone, please on the camera. Please on the cameras. That is for everyone, the terms. Yeah, please. That is rules for everyone. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Please start. Please continue. Yeah. Yeah. These algorithms are fine. Please go to the next slide. Yeah. Yeah.
And scope here we are developing the AI powered app for fraudulent detections in transactions. And version here, we are using the one version that is Python. And let me introduce my team members. My team members are Shashikiran, Pramod, Yashashvi, Varshit, and Kushbu.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. 5 people.
And the timeline here, we took 15 days to complete our project. And each day, one day we took for selecting the data, another day for cleaning the process, done with the cleaning process, and another and removing duplicates and new null values. We took one day for data visualization in Python and one day for statistical analysis, where we have done distributions, finding central tendencies, hypothesis testing, and z-score values. And one day we took for auto EDA and model training, model testing, and we have done with few algorithms like random forest, logistic regression, SVM, decision tree, KNN, Navy based neural networks,
Okay.
and linear discriminant analysis. And one day for cross validation using K-fold. And finally, we done deploy.
Okay. No issue.
And align method. Here we have planned what to do, and we have done with coding part and training the code, testing the data set, and deploying it.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Shoy, you presented nice one. Yeah. Now who is going to present? Pramod. Yeah, Pramod. Yeah. Show me the code one. It's fine. You can show me the code.
Directly codes, ma'am.
You can go to the code. It's fine. You can show me the code. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please go to the code and show me the deployment, how you did.
Ma'am, actually deployment did by the Shashkiran, ma'am.
Okay. You can explain the code.
I have the model. I have the model code. I did the model training and everything, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, please.
It is still loading, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Pramod, I will share this screen. Wait a minute. I will share this screen.
Huh?
It's fine, guys. Why, Sasikiran, you are laughing? It will come. Wait. Yeah, Pramod, please continue. I am not laughing. Only Sasikiran laughing.
Initially, we started with the data loading, ma'am. We used pandas. Pandas is used for data manipulation. Here initially we loaded our data set, ma'am. And here is our data set, ma'am. And our data set contains 50,000 rows and 23 columns, ma'am. We took more rows to train our model more efficiently. Rather than taking 5,000 rows, we decided to take 50,000 rows, ma'am. After loading the data set, we did data cleaning, ma'am. Here we removed the duplicate values and then we removed the null values, ma'am. And after removing all these things, we kept all these things in a cleaned file name CSV, ma'am. And also we removed the index values, ma'am. As we don't need the index values, in the cleaned file, we removed it, ma'am. And then we print our clean file.
Okay.
Here is the outlier, ma'am. Here outlier we take the target variable is fraud. Here in outlier, generally it divides into 4 quartiles, no, ma'am. Each quartile contains 25%, whole 100%, in total 100%. Here we took 2 quartiles, ma'am, 75% and 25%. And interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, ma'am. Q3 quartile range is 75 and Q1 quartile range is 25, ma'am. And then we shown our outliers, ma'am, for our target variable is fraud. And we showed our data head and data describe, ma'am. Here you can show five rows and 23 columns. And then data visualization, ma'am. Yeah, data visualization, first one is a histogram, ma'am. Here for histogram, we took the column name called latitude location of the credit card holders, ma'am. Here LAT is the latitude location of the credit card holders. Here we are showing the graph of the latitude location of the credit card holders, ma'am, and their frequency. And we observe the maximum frequency at the 43, ma'am,
Okay,
in the x-axis.
come little down. Yeah,
And
please. Box plot.
and then the box plot, ma'am. Same, ma'am. Box plot I did for the latitude location of the transaction credit card holders.
Okay.
And we observe the box plot at 40, ma'am.
Come down.
And then a
Come down.
scattering plot.
Come down.
Scatter plot. It
Just
is
take
for
just go
latitude
through.
location.
Just go through full code. I wanted to see, then I will ask you. Yeah. Bar plot, categorical plot. Yeah. Come little down.
Heat map, ma'am.
This is the heat map. Okay.
It's a heat map.
Come down. Okay.
It is a
statistical analysis.
statistical analysis, ma'am.
Hypothesis
Mean
testing.
median.
Hypothesis testing you are using.
G score.
Come down. Hypothesis and Z.
Latitude location only, ma'am. Latitude location of transaction folders.
Okay, come down.
Here we did pandas profiling, ma'am, for the exploratory data analysis, auto EDA.
Okay, come down.
It is the
Come down.
ADA, ma'am, insights of our data set, ma'am. It basically shows the insights of our data set.
Nice. Come down. It's fine. I got it. Come down.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Comes like
Ma'am, basically in our data set, there are some string values, ma'am, like transaction date and transaction time. To train our model, it has to be in a float, ma'am.
okay.
So we converted into float values, ma'am. And each column in transaction date, we divided by hour, date, and time, ma'am.
Okay.
And also
Come
three
down.
different columns, ma'am.
Yeah, come down. Come down. More come down. I wanted to see the flow, how you did. Come down.
It is the model training, ma'am. Model training is going to explain by the Shashkiran, ma'am. Random forest.
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am, this is model training. We use the 9 algorithms. This is the random forest. We have done it divided into train and test set 80% and 20%. Then we gone to the conversion of words to the numericals, and we have done the algorithms path. We have used the random forest classifier here. Come down. Yeah, go to the next one. Yeah, we have found the accuracy and the conversion matrix. Yes, and for this we have got the 99.6 ma'am. This is the logistic. This is the logistic regression. We have done in the same path, but we have used the different algorithm that is called logistic regression. It is between 0 and 1. We have used the one hot encoder for the to convert the gender, category, and state to the numerical values, and so on. Yeah, go down. Come on. Come on. Can you move on? Slowly. And this is the SVM. In the same path we have done, we have added into test path, train and test path, and we have included we have converted the uh, word data to the numerical data, and we have done the one hot encoder for the some of the attributes.
Yeah.
And
come little down. Come little more down. Okay. Come for a last. Come just 1 or 10 coding. Okay, come down. Feature scanning. Yeah, come down. Come to the finalized result of all the models.
Go to the comparison cross values.
Yeah, comparison graph. Show me the comparison
This is
graph.
the comparison. Yes, ma'am. This is the model accuracy comparison. Ma'am.
Okay, where you are getting highest one? Random forest.
Random, yes, ma'am, random.
Okay. Okay. Can you show me the deployment, please?
Yes, ma'am, I will show. Someone can you stop this thing. Here, how to share this whole screen, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It must be a review, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I mean, yes. Show the deployment page.
Yes, ma'am. This is deployment, ma'am. We have installed some class we have done on the class, ma'am.
Yeah,
And
please.
we have imported from the drive and we have done. And we will show the. I will show the.
Show me.
This is the inputs we have done, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Click on the submit button or predict button. Yeah, predict.
This is not a plot, so it is showing not a plot.
Great.
It will show the value.
5,000. Yeah.
Likely plot.
Likely.
So that accordingly it will come.
Okay. Okay. Nice one. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, guys. The project is really nice. You people used full of techniques. What I mentioned. I like this thing about your project. I have few questions. Fine. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have few questions. May I know? Okay. So you people did the feature scaling, right? So may I know why we are doing scaling, feature scaling, and what are the types of feature scaling?
I think to normalize the variables, ma'am.
To
Normalize the features of normalize the data.
normalize the
Normalize the
data
variables.
in one scale. What are the types
Yes,
of
ma'am.
feature scaling? You people used feature scaling, right? Pramod, you wrote the codes.
Normalization, standardization.
Okay.
Other I know normalization is most common.
Did you people heard about standard scalar, min max scalar?
Yes, ma'am. Main not.
Then what is standard scaling? What is min max scaling?
We should tell the formula or we should explain it.
Explain it, basic explanation.
Min max scaling that it can replace the values. Uh, I, I didn't remember exactly them, but it replaces the values in the columns with the new using like we have 5 values. With that, what is if we will compare it, like we will comparatively min max, we will comparatively check that which is the nearest one. Like what was the highest one, we will comparatively check and we will replace the values of, and we will normalize it.
We go through these questions, guys, and then coming to the encoding. What type of techniques you know about encoding?
What one?
What type of techniques you know about encoding?
Encoding.
Encoding.
Yeah, one hot encoding.
Okay, how it's working?
One hot encoding is on the likely it was on some characters, no? Like string characters. Then it converts into the numericals, like into float value. Eventually, it works on the float value.
Like it basically converts categorical data into numerical data. One hot encoding.
Level encoding also doing the same categorical to numeric, but how the process is? No worries. So you people got highest accuracy in random forest. Can anyone explain about random forest, how it's working? How the framework of random forest algorithm?
Yes, ma'am. We should explain about the random forest. Random forest actually it consists of many decision trees. In like in the subsets, likely to be in subsets, and it improve the predictive accuracy of the data set. Likely to do. By using this algorithm, mostly we will get the highest accuracy than compared to the all algorithms. Basically, it's
How it's working?
mostly
How it's working?
working percent.
How it's working?
Mm.
How the trees are constructing? How the accuracy is we are getting? How is the process? Okay.
By the voting of average,
Average is in voting of average is in categorical numerical variable. What about categorical variable? How the trees are finalizing who is going
actually, we converted the categorical data to the numerical data so that
there is a voting system. Okay.
yes,
So now I also random first there is the parameters also. Just go through. I think you people used null hypothesis, right? When in which scenario null hypothesis will accept and which scenario null hypothesis will reject?
null hypothesis. When it is greater than when it's I think greater than when it's greater than the expect yeah, hypothesis. Alternative when it is greater than the alternative hypothesis. When it is not equal to alternative hypothesis, then it can accept or else it will reject now. Is it correct?
Worked with null hypothesis, right? There is a word of p-value.
Yes, ma'am, P value. So I forgot.
There is nothing I'm asking out of your project. You tell me feature scaling, null hyper random first. I asked 3 questions to you people. I didn't got the answer, guys. Your project is too good. How you people using this codes? I thought maybe your project is going to be the highest one, but your mock interview is okay. Share your Jupyter screen, please. I will ask another code to write in Jupyter. Python test.
Okay, ma'am.
See, there is nothing in marks. You people doing good and your project is good. You people are learning. That is matters. Marks is just a number. Fine. Now, write a program.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Write a program to find the factorial of a number.
Factorial, ma'am.
A factorial of a number. And Khushbu, you people, Khushbu, Vashi, Varshit, you people are not participating only. Shashi and Pramod only little bit. Help your friend to write the program, guys. Write a program to find the factorial of a number. what's your project name?
Ma'am,
What's your
credit
project?
cards for detection.
Credit card.
Credit cards for
Project
detection.
number?
Final, group final.
Credit card for
Group
detection.
final. It is that, ma'am.
Is executed.
Sure, ma'am. Yes, sir. Wait a minute, I will time this. What's that?
No issue.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
120.
Okay. No issue. Thank you. So guys, coming to your project, project, you people used all the things. I like the presentation, I like the code file, all the things. But yes, you people, I think now you felt how the real-time interview questions are coming. So I hope you people will prepare for your placement marks just a number. I'm really happy and appreciate you people project. You all of you did a very good job. So definitely, and coming to this course is coming to end today. So I really love to spend like the time class time with you people. So yeah, definitely, if possible, we'll again go for some new internship or course with you people definitely in future. But yes, you did your best. I hope this will help you people to show in your CV with the GitHub link, with the LinkedIn link. So in the main interview time, in the your campus placement, this course and this experience will help you out. So all the best for your career. So thank you so much, guys. Do you have any question for me? Any question?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. No questions.
Okay.